Hi, my name is Gwen. I came to know about Code Bidu when I was taking my nephews for their own training classes, and I was curious as to what was going on in the program. So I spoke to Jacqueline, and she gave me a brief, and I thought it was very interesting to be able to start from learning about the code and then building up your own website in there. So as a result of that, I enrolled myself into it, and what I amazed myself is that as a parent or an aunt, I am able to still learn new things. At the same time, I found that because I'm in the program, I'm also able to communicate with my nephews. We can actually share in areas where, if I'm not sure, they can help me. Where they're not sure, I can help them. And at the same time, give feedback to the kind of things that we are learning. So it's a good sharing program. If you are a parent or anything like that, it's actually good to know what your kids are actually learning. At the same time, be able to be in their space and just enjoy the time with them.